basis at the tackle shop. I got a charge account running up non-stop. They ought to give me my own parking spot. I can't fit another plug in my tackle box. It's always under construction for all my weapons of mass destruction. I got buzz baits and Zara spooks, pumpkin seeds, zoom flukes, booyah crawfish jigs. I got a 7-foot flipping stick, all the soft plastics to hook one on a Texas rig. My wife stays on me and my banker just told me that he's working on a tax deduction for all the money I'm dropping on my weapons of mass destruction. Hank Parker's got a wiretap on my phone. Bill Dance won't leave me the hell alone. Outdoor Channel wants to do a show. They wanna film me jaw jerking down on Okeechobee. They better come with some high-def production, cause I got weapons of mass destruction. I got jitterbugs and hula poppers, crankbaits and wood choppers, devil horses and broke-backs, grass frogs and chug buggers, strand on my Calcutta, offset shank mustache. I got a 250 Johnson and a Red Man sponsor and a Ranger in custom production to haul around me and my buddies and my weapons of mass destruction. My boat is my bunker, where I haul in all my lunkers. I got buzz baits and Zara spooks, bubble gum, zoom flukes, booyah crawfish jigs. I got a 7